Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. And if you get the chance and feel so inclined, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification icon. The bell notification icon will let YouTube know you're a human being, and it'll also notify you when I release new videos and go live. I like this video that I'll release right after I open it here. But today we're just going to do a real quick unboxing on this little package from our brother Lefty EDC. Remember, anywhere you go looking for knife supplies, chances are if you put in Lefty 10, you'll save 10% and make Lefty a little swag. So we're going to see what we have here. Something I picked up from him. Gosh, it was late last week and he already shipped it. The unboxing knife is going to be the QSP Hedgehog, which I really enjoy. So we got here some Lefty EDC sticker and a little Slip Life sticker. Sweet. And then we have this here. Y'all recognize that sticker? So guys, what I have done here is, after talking to Lefty, and I'd been kind of watching our old buddy Knives Sergeant, who is Null Knives? Why am I going brain dead? Anyway, Knives Sergeant started making knives. And this is one of his little fixies from his first drop. This is a small EDC knife, guys, with a very unique Kydex sheath, great retention, single strap, but you could put an ulti clip on it if you wanted to. Nice little finger popper here. I love the blade shape. This looks like, I can't tell if that's G10 or micarta. I'm thinking that's layers of G10, but I could be wrong. And it looks like it might even have some G10 pins. But to me, guys, and this is only in my observation, and I think it's awesome, but this kind of reminds me of the blade shape. It's very unique, and it's Terrain 365, not Terrain 365. I'm trying to think of the little knife that looks like it's made, or the first version looked like it was made out of plastic and used the little Snex lock. Hell, I can't think of it now. But anyway, this is a small fixie that's going to come in good bit smaller than my QSP Hedgehog, but you guys know how I like small fixies. So blade steel on this, super sharp, but I am not exactly sure which blade steel this is. I'll have to find out from Lefty. I'm just stoked to have one of Knives, especially have one of the first runs. I'm just looking back here for some of my PP Digest paper. Very slicey, and the handle, guys, feels very comfortable too. Whoops, that was cutter error. But very, very slicey little blade. And that is all right, guys, I'm going totally blank now. The Luc, is that what this is? The LUC? I'll put it in the title of the unboxing. But this is, I think it's the Null Knives, not Null Knives, Jesus Christ. NAF's Sergeant. I think this is called the Luc, L-U-C. But guys, I'm not sure. I can't unbox it again. I'm kind of legit, so I'll put everything that I don't know or didn't know in the description. And I apologize to NAF Sergeant for not knowing more. But man, this is a slicey little knife. Feels great in the hand. I'll let you guys know how it treats me, because I will definitely be carrying it. I love the Kydex sheath. I think it looks great with the handle. I'll put some Wicked Wax on that, since I don't know exactly what blade steel it is. Rub it over the strop a couple times, not that it needs it. But guys, it has a really good finger choil that doubles as a sharpening choil. I love the kind of rustic spine on the blade here. Let's see how thick it is behind the spine. 0.12. 0.59 for the handle, which really makes for a great little secondary carry, guys. I may even have to put an ulti clip on this guy and do it as a pocket dropper. But I love the Stonewash acid etched looking blade. I don't know if you guys can see that edge. It's got a fantastic working edge on it. And I know Lefty, no offense, didn't put that edge on, so I can only assume NAF Sergeant Mike did. It's Luc Knives, guys. L-U-C-K-N-I-V-E-S. I don't know why I'm going brain dead, but it's Luc Knives. And I do not know off the top of my head the name of this little knife, but this is his first little knife, and well done. I mean, I think it's done very, very nicely. It's very unique to me. It doesn't look like anything else. I love small fixies. I look forward to kind of cutting with this thing and carrying it as secondary, either in my pocket or on my belt. And guys, that is the Luc Knives. Damn, why can't I think of the name of that? I won't remember, guys. I tried. I'll do my best next time to do better, but it's NAF Sergeant Luc Knives, and this is his first little model. Awesome. I look forward to putting it through its paces, giving it a little more love, cutting more than just paper, which it seems to do with ease. I'm stoked to have it. Stoked Lefty made it available to me, and stoked that you guys are here to watch me unbox it and hear my pontifications and my misrepresentation of the knife maker when I didn't even know that it was Luc Knives, because I drew a brain fart. So I do apologize for that, guys. But I am stoked. I'm stoked that y'all are here. I'm stoked if you are inclined to subscribe. If not, I get that too. If you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, awesome. If not, that's fine too. If you have any questions or like to leave a comment, please feel free, but just know that I'm not the quickest to get back to comments. I read every single one, and I will reply to comments. I try to do it late in the evenings and early in the mornings before I head off to work. But guys, please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate over hate. Guys, till next time, I love you all. Peace.